cops in action. We're going to a car meet. We got the homie back there and shit. All right. Hey, man. We're on our way to Simi Valley right now. How far is it? Like 30 minutes?
I'm about to see.
This shit's super bright. Is it too bright?
Yeah, you might want to turn it down.
For real? Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna see the settings. Oh, is that better? It's still super bright. This was a good investment. I'm not gonna lie. We got this shit today. It was, I mean, the whole package was like 50 bucks or some shit like that. So I mean, I think it was well worth it. We finna be late as hell, dude.
Nah, all the good cars show up late, dude.
Man, you said that last time.
Hey, guess what? A Porsche pulled in right as we pulled up.
No, I don't know, man. Thing sounds good.
It's running all right now.
For real?
See if I can get some runs on it.
What is it?
It's a 340.
340?
Yeah. It's on low boost.
For real?
Yeah, it's not, my tune's not done yet.
You got a big turbo on it?
It's
For real?
it's full motor, so.
Dude, it's clean. I can tell by the I can tell by the wheels when we were passing you guys. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah. It's all right. It's pretty fast.
All right. Sounds good. There's a bunch of random cars at this meet right now. This thing is super clean.
What you think about the meet, Scott?
Laguna Seca blue, carbon fiber. Ooh, X5.
Wow, what should I do?
340. This one right here is super clean. That color's hard as fuck.
Let me get that flashlight real quick.
The Supra on some beads. That thing is clean.
You seen that dual drive one? Got a real list. I've seen one Supra on these.
Oh, this is clean.
Hey, is this how yours gonna look at the end?
I hope so. I hope so, man.
Hey, you gotta
Yeah, I bought a roller, a roller M3. I bought one.
Did you really?
Yeah, and I'm putting the LS in it right now. Dude. Yeah, I'm putting an LS in that little ass car right there.
Where's your hood gonna be?
Huh?
Where's your hood gonna be?
It's gonna go on there to fit under the hood.
fit?
Yeah.
Just cut the middle out.
I was thinking of putting a high ram on one. Man, this shit, every time I see an E36, I'm like, damn, man, what could be? Right now, I got all the rust and stuff off of it, and I'm primer in it right now.
Ooh.
I think it's gonna be super clean. Let's go over here.
Yeah, I'm about to go talk to this guy.
Is that F150?
Yeah.
Where's it at? Oh, there's more over here. This thing is super clean. I like this color. This color is fire. Oh man.
I went to go look at your garage.
Yeah, it was hard for me to find the tool. When I saw why I was off, I get it.
Yeah, I got a homie who there.
How much was it fully packaged?
Fucking 60 something.
60? That's actually not bad. Cause I see him all the time for like 80, 90.
I did 50 to mine.
Yeah,
Damn.
I gotta, yeah.
This thing is super clean. Oh, that thing sounds good.
Hey, what you think about that, bro?
That thing is super clean, dude. What you? Hey, shut up.
Nah, it's fucking up my
For real?
I wasn't disappointed. My video's safe.
We got the LGBT lights.
What did you say?
LGBT lights.
On a 5.7.
On a 5.7.
Wait, this is a 5.7?
Yeah.
Wide body? He wide bodied a 5.7?
Yeah, you can do that.
Why would you do that?
Why not?
Why not just buy a scat?
I don't know. Ask him. S650 GT. Super clean. S550.
Eco Boost gapping everything here though.
Eco Boost? On like 20 pounds of boost. It doesn't get all squirrely, does it? Warm me now.
Blur out my fucking address.
Huh?
Blur out my address from my car plate.
Oh shit, all right. Coyote and all that?
Yeah.
Gen 4?
Gen 4.
Gen 4. I'm gonna get away from the cars. Let's see if I can foot
So you're
brake it.
gonna wanna put it in sport first.
All right.
Hold the traction control.
Yeah.
Alright. You're gonna put it on 4 high. Once it shifts to 4 high,
Yeah.
you could start.
Is it good?
Yep.
Oh shit, was that good? Oh,
That's nice.
Gotta do it again? Oh shit. Have you launched it like that yet?
Yeah.
For
I
real?
launched that bitch against the. You're in too high now.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I gotta put it back?
Yeah. You have to redo the whole thing. I launched it against the base model C8,
Yeah.
and I won that league.
Dude, I'm getting
The other
one.
day.
I'm getting one. All right, wait, let me.
You got traction control off. All you gotta do now is put it on high, 4 high.
Yeah.
Shift in progress. Just let it shift. All right, you're on 4 high now.
Wait, I'm not even. Wait. Let me. All right.
Straighten out.
Oh wait. Oh wait. Wait. All right. Wait. Hey, this thing is quick, dude. I'm gonna turn back.
Yeah.
Where you want me to park?
Just park right here.
You sure? Ooh.
That 4 high. That 4
Is that
high
the switch?
Kick. Yeah. You just.
I'm gonna turn around so I can park better.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, this thing launches crazy, dude.
They're over there trying to come get us now.
Who?
They got more security over there.
For real? They're trying to get us? You want me to? I'm gonna park down here so you get out quicker.
It's cool.
Mall security trying to
How
get
you
us?
feel about that?
Nah, that was fire. I'm not gonna lie, that launch. That's like a Tesla launch, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Feels nice, huh?
How was that, dude?
That shit was crazy.
Was it?
Yeah.
It looked crazy from outside. For a stock F150, I was saying that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy.
That shit is crazy. You got the video? Did it come out good?
I don't know how to do it.
All right. I'm gonna roll the windows up.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that.
You
I'm
gonna
gonna
need
these
it?
clips, bro. I'm gonna need them, bro. This is the beginning of the journey, bro.
Hell yeah. Fucking hearts over here racing and shit, dude. Yeah, bro, that
Hey,
I'm not gonna lie, I low-key fell in love.
I think you did good.
You think you did
Yeah, they felt nice. The first one definitely you felt the kick a little better. The
Yeah.
second one it was kind of just like
Yeah, the second one I kind of eased into it. It was too much. It was too much from the fucking dig. Especially in the parking lot, just hitting it just like that. No.
like that, yeah.
Yeah, that shit was
Maybe if we
crazy.
were like down the road.
Yeah,
like,
if we went down the road and we could hit it a little bit more, then I would have been like, all right, fuck it, let's do it.
So
But
Whipple soon? Yeah.
Bro, with a Whipple?
With a Whipple.
Yeah, y'all heard it here first.
Dude.
He's better have a Whipple within the next month. All right, next month.
That's the Mexican GTR, dude.
The Mexican GTR.
That's the Mexican
I should have
GTR.
shown you on the settings. It's called Mexican GTR.
Shut the fuck up. Did that come with like that from factory?
No, I put it like that.
Oh.
Which is funny as fuck.
I think everybody's gapping that shit.
Nobody in
Man.
this parking lot gapping me. Bro,
Now let's be real.
Nobody.
Let's be real.
Maybe a few exceptions. Maybe a lot of exceptions.
Changing the way I give, changing the way I feel. Step forward. Everybody,
That thing is clean.
understand what makes a child a man.
Ooh. Get out the way.
Inside of you, when the sun goes,
Oh yeah, that Nardo. Yeah, that shit's clean as fuck.
I was gonna wrap my 50 in that shit.
In that color?
Yeah. What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
Is he right there? Where's he at? Oh yeah, he's built. Bro, this intake manifold, dude. You know how much that shit costs?
How much?
That costs more than the wheels that are on your bike, dude. My intake manifold costs more than your bike. You know what my intake manifold is? A big old supercharger. Oh yeah, that thing's clean. That was a perfect end to a long ass video that we made. But hey man, we're gonna be going to a lot more car meets, huh?
Man, I wasn't no Hellcats with no track hawk. Man, what the fuck going on, man?
Man, this is a certified YN right here. Listen to him. Say it one more time.
It ain't no Hellcats, no track hawks. What the fuck they got going on here in Cali?
Hey, these Georgia motherfuckers be going crazy about them Hellcats.
Right, and we run away from GSP. You heard that first from me.
Nah, GSP is crazy.
Yeah, GSP is crazy. They got Hellcats and shit. GSP is not playing.
All right, but
Fonnie Willis, the
Stop
DA. I heard a supercharger. Where'd it come
I
from?
heard that bitch.
is that the Audi?
I don't know. Was it the Audi?
Yeah.
I don't know. But hey, this video is over with. I'll talk to y'all later.
My outro.
Bye.
Oh my god! I know you heard that turbo. I'm just gonna follow that.
Hey, never mind. We're not into the video. We found more cars.
Y'all got somewhere to be? I'm just gonna keep following them.
No, motherfucker, I'm trying to, hey, man. I'm fucking trying to go to sleep.
If they go on the highway, I'm going on the highway, right?
If they go on the highway, of course we gotta follow them. All right, Mr. 805? 805, look alive.
You think you're funny?
What, dude? What's wrong?
You don't love me like you used to.
I hear a turbo. Let's say E92. I'm not gonna lie. I want something with a turbo.
Put your fucking seatbelt
N54. Oh, the thing is just beeping and yelling at me. Jesus, my bad, dude. He's over here angry. It's an angry little 805 come alive.
Turbo diesel.
Dude, that light is bright. I can't see the bright side of the car.
For real?
Yes.
Dude, we could figure it out. Wait, can you turn it on? Oh no, it gets brighter. That's horrible. Can you put the fucking waypoint? God,
What
yeah.
are we, a fucking GTA?
Oh shit.
Hey, you know what he said earlier today?
What?
He was like, we were talking about something happened. And he was like, oh, was that on a school night?
I mean,
2019,
bro, I'm going back to pre-COVID. I'm reverting. Oh shit. Cops in action. Well, I thought that was the end to the night. I guess it's not. We're not going nowhere. The truck is gapping us. God damn. Oh I turned around and looked. I was like, what the hell is that? Bro, the Supra's going crazy. What's that smell?
It's a wildfire.
Is it?
Nah, it's probably the fucking beaver.
This motherfucker's burning oil.
I need the Supra.
He's burning oil. We ended up an hour away from home. I don't know where we're at. We're how long?
40 minutes.
40 minutes away?
Yeah.
We're 40 minutes away from the crib. We have no food, water. We're stranded. We're in the middle of the ocean. We're waiting to be saved. Help, SOS.
You don't see this black man in the back seat?
There's a black man back there. I don't know why.
Just give me 80 cents. 80 cents per minute and I'll be okay.